forgot that you can't turn these TVs down. I forgot that you can't turn these TV down by the remote.
Oh yeah, you can't. You have to do it on the side. Turn that up.
Push it here. That's how it goes back in. Gonna do it again because I was struggling the first time. But this is something that everybody should get. Just basically flip it out right here by the little handle. And you're gonna take this in the inside right here. And push it down. And then that's how you fold it right back in. Otherwise, I think everybody should get it. And I am very happy with my purchase. You guys have a good one.